Welcome back to AutoSpec Global. Today we are pushing the boundaries of electric style with the new Tesla Model 3 Highland. We have curated 10 breathtaking high-quality gradient wraps that perfectly match the sleek lines of the 2024 to 2026 Highland model. Let's dive in. Number 1. A celestial transition from electric blue to deep purple. This gradient adds a cosmic depth to the Highland's minimalist exterior. On the open road, the aerodynamic silhouette makes the color flow like liquid energy. It's a perfect blend of performance and futuristic style. Notice how the blue fades into a rich purple as the light hits the curves. This look is absolutely electric and undeniably premium. The contrast between the wrap and the landscape is mesmerizing. It's designed for those who want their Tesla to be a true work of art. Number 2. A fiery sunset orange fading into a deep ruby red. A bold and aggressive choice that demands attention at every corner. This color palette feels alive, especially during the golden hour. The transition from warm orange to deep red highlights the car's dynamic posture. The Highland's updated design language complements this warm gradient perfectly. It looks fast even when it's just cruising silently. From every angle, the red depth at the rear is incredible. It's a masterpiece of color and motion that truly stands out in traffic. Number 3. Forest green transitioning into a luxurious golden sand. A sophisticated look for those who appreciate organic elegance. Inspired by nature, this wrap looks right at home in the countryside. The green is deep and rich, while the gold adds a touch of class. The transition is subtle but powerful. It gives the Model 3 a unique personality that is both grounded and extremely high-end. The golden accents really shine under natural sunlight, making the Highland look more premium than ever before. A truly regal combination. Number 4. Carbon black merging into a sleek silver chrome. This is the peak of modern tech aesthetics and futuristic design. This monochromatic masterpiece looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. The way the chrome highlights the sharp edges is simply brilliant. Under the city lights, the silver sections reflect the environment with stunning clarity. It's clean, aggressive, and undeniably modern. For those who prefer a stealthy yet high-tech look, this black and silver gradient is the ultimate choice for your electric journey. Number 5. A refreshing teal, fading into a deep ocean blue. It brings a summer vibe to the Highland's sophisticated silhouette. Imagine driving this along the coast. The colors match the horizon perfectly, creating a serene and beautiful driving experience. The Highland's silent glide combined with these aquatic tones is pure serenity. Every angle reveals a new and exciting shade of blue. It's dynamic, full of life, and makes the Tesla look incredibly fresh. A cool and collected look that is guaranteed to turn heads. Number 6. Matte gray transitioning into a high-visibility neon yellow. This high-contrast look is designed for the boldest trendsetters. The neon accents add a sharp, sporty edge to the Tesla. The matte finish keeps it grounded, while the yellow makes it impossible to ignore. It feels like a performance-tuned beast even when cruising at steady speeds. Bold, unconventional, and incredibly striking from every perspective. The way the yellow pop against the dark gray is just incredible. Are you brave enough to rock this high-energy look on your Highland? Number 7. Midnight purple blending into a bright sky blue. It captures the essence of a beautiful twilight sky on your car. There is something truly magical about this combination as the sun sets. The Highland looks incredibly sleek with this cosmic-inspired wrap. The purple adds a layer of mystery, while the blue keeps the overall look fresh and modern. It's a dreamy look for the dreamers. The gradient shift is seamless, making the Tesla look like it's part of the sky itself. Simply beautiful and very sophisticated. Number 8. Industrial copper transitioning into a deep charcoal gray, a rugged and refined finish for a powerful presence. This earthy metallic gradient gives the Tesla a grounded and strong look. The copper highlights the Highland's redesign in a very tasteful way. It looks like it was forged from precious metals. The charcoal gray provides a perfect base for the metallic copper to shine through. Sophistication meets strength in this incredible color scheme. A truly unique finish that stands out with its industrial elegance. Number 9. Iridescent pearl white fading into a soft rose gold. This is pure luxury and grace for the modern driver. Elegance personified. The way it reflects the city skyline is breathtaking. The rose gold accents add a touch of warmth to the clean white. The Highland has never looked more graceful. This combination is soft, chic, and incredibly high-end from every possible angle. A perfect choice for those who appreciate the finer details in life. It's a subtle gradient that exudes confidence and style. And finally, number 10, a royal emerald green transitioning into a deep sapphire blue. Jewel tones at their absolute best. These deep, rich colors give the Tesla an air of mystery and power. The gradient shift is so smooth, it's like the car is changing colors. A majestic finish to our list! The Highland looks absolutely regal in these jewel tones, showcasing its luxury electric heritage. The ultimate jewel for your garage! A stunning way to wrap up our top 10 countdown of the best Highland wraps. So, which one was your favorite? Let us know the number in the comments below. We are excited to see your top pick. If you love these colors, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to AutoSpec Global for more. See you in the next one!